This is room 1207 at the Fairmont San Francisco. I'll give you a quick tour. Look at the bathroom. There's a bathtub. It's a happy day. Let's see our products. What are our things here? I don't see what the fragrance is, but I'm sure they're fabulous. All right, got the bathtub, mirror, sink. Let's make sure we have a hair dryer. Is there one? I don't see a hair dryer. We'll have to look. Oh, here it is. There we go. All right, hair dryer. And the closet. Got an iron and the safe. Comes with an umbrella and robes and a luggage rack. And we have a big TV. And look at this cabinet. Looks like we have, oh, does this come out? It does. We have an espresso machine. Looks like that's the mini bar pricing. Look at a picture of that and insert it. So there's that stuff. And then there's also a mini bar fridge. And then, was there something else? Oh, ice bucket and kettle, I guess. Okay, so it's a king size room. And look at the clock. And look at this. Look at this view. To put the official name of what this hotel room is. It's a Bayview King or something like that. You can even see the Golden Gate Bridge way over there.